Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel with drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here with another episode with breaking news regarding the possibility of a new DJI Digital Cinema Camera. We have all of the information for all of you guys here in today's video. So it's a video you don't want to miss on. But before we get started guys, if you guys want to get an opportunity on winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, yeah, you heard that right, a free DJI Mavic Air 2. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel. It's that simple guys. And if we're able to get to 1,000 subscribers before September the 15th, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you guys don't want to miss out on this epic opportunity, so make sure you subscribe and you join the Drone Emotion family. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video, which is a really exciting one guys. So today's news are coming from Osita LB, which is a really reliable source when it comes to DJI leaks. I know all of you guys are familiar with Osita LB. He's been pretty reliable in the past, and today he tweeted something that came out of nowhere. No one really expected to be seeing this kind of tweet. So this is what he had to say today morning. So yeah, that's right guys. What will happen if DJI announce their own digital cinema camera? Yeah. That's a question made by Osita. So this is definitely a possibility, and I saw this is something that really came out of no one really expected to be seeing this. So last year Osita LB posted a concept on his Twitter, but it really didn't went nowhere. We didn't got any more information after that, and those news were dead. Well, it looks like he's bringing those news back up because there might be a possibility that DJI might be releasing as DJI Cinema Camera. So the concept that he showed us was the following. He named it the Osmo Cinema concept. So conceived by Osita LB, and what he showed us was the following. So he showed us that this could have a built-in monitor, a multi-touch screen, a 12GB SDI output, a DJI Cine SSD storage, as well as a DL mount, DL lenses, stepless iris control, remote focus support, PL to DL converter, interchangeable CMOS, Super 35 and large frame, and the following four formats. So we are going to possibly be getting Cinema DMG, ProRes RAW, ProRes 422HQ, and according to Osita, it looks like we have a 4444XQ dynamic range up to 14 EB, and it looks like this camera can shoot, according to Osita, in 6K at 24, 25 and 30 frames per second, 4K up to 60 frames per second, and 4K up to 60, and 2K up to 120 frames per second, as well as a dynamic range up to 17 plus EB. So those filming quality that we just gave you, that's in the mode S35 according to Osita LB, and then in the mode LF it looks like it's going to be able to shoot at 8K at 24, 25 and 30 frames per second, and then 6K at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50 and 60 frames per second at 6K, and then 4K up to 60 like what we see on the Mavic Air 2, and then 2K up to 120 frames per second, and all of this while doing dynamic range up to 17 plus EB. So this is a concept that was made by Osita LB. So right here I'm gonna share it with you guys so you know what I'm talking about. So that was the concept drawn by Osita LB. He posted this last year, and as we mentioned, we didn't really got more information after this post, but I think that after DJI made that collaboration with Hasselblad, yeah, that professional photography company, I think there might be a possibility that we might be seeing a collaboration between DJI and then Hasselblad to make a professional digital cinema camera. I think they could be doing something similar to what we see with the Hasselblad H6D 400C. So I'm gonna leave a picture of that camera right here that's made by Hasselblad. So that is the camera that Hasselblad makes at the moment, and I think that it wouldn't be crazy we see a Hasselblad DJI Cinema Camera anytime soon. So I think this is definitely a possibility that could be in the horizon for DJI. So let's talk a little bit about price. I think that the price, if DJI does come out to release this, I think the price will definitely be super high. It wouldn't be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. I think this will be a really high price. I don't know, maybe from between the $10,000 up to $50,000. We don't know, because as you guys know that this Hasselblad camera that I just showed you is almost $50,000. So I think if DJI comes out with something like this, it wouldn't be cheap, but I think this will be like nothing out there in the market. So I think that this is a possibility for DJI to be releasing, and this is still not confirmed by DJI, but as soon as any more news regarding this and this new cinema camera from DJI, we're going to keep you updated here in the channel. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out when news come out regarding this new digital cinema camera. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.